Stay active, stay selling, the daily Walmart routine that protects your account. And of course, my favorite thing is having checklists so that way you don't make it up as you go. Everybody does it the same. And the first thing is just checking your seller performance tab. Super easy, but something a lot of people don't do, right? So you can just go into Walmart Seller Central, go to performance, and there's two tabs. There's a performance tab right here, and there's the rating and reviews tab. So if we look at that, you can see there is a performance tab right here and then ratings and reviews. You also want to just be checking out your ratings and reviews. If they're violating Walmart's policies, getting those ratings and reviews removed, things like that, making sure your performance standards is good. Because what happens is a flag automatically sets off if your performance standards are too low, and then Walmart will automatically suspend your account. Not fun, not something that you want to do. Manual review of unpublished error listings. Super duper important. Again, what we do is we have our team pretty much go in every single day, and they're looking and they're seeing if there's any unpublished listings or error listings. As you know, with Walmart, they'll randomly put an error on your listing. They won't notify you. And then you're like, what happened to my account? What happened to my listings? And if you have too many errors, too many listings are unpublished or in error, Walmart will randomly suspend you or even terminate your account. It's just like an automatic thing. So right when you come in, you need to have somebody reaching out and saying, hey, there's an error. We need to fix this right away. Whenever something happens on Walmart, you need to get on it right away, especially listing errors and unpublished errors. Unpublished aren't as big of a deal, but the listing errors are a huge deal. So somebody should be monitoring that on a regular basis. Now, there also is an account hub area, if you didn't know. This is where you can also see and triple check if there's any problems with your listings or your account. What you're going to do is go into the top left corner of your screen, and you're going to click that little cog icon that I'm showing. And then once you're in your profile, right, it's the settings, you're going to click Account Hub. A lot of people don't know about this, and it literally tells you your performance rating that I already explained to you, and it tells you your compliance, any item compliance. You can see we have 7 items that are unpublished for compliance. We should be getting on these. We should be appealing these. There is a way to appeal them directly in this Account Hub area. So again, those are things that you should be attacking. Any certificates, Inform Act, offensive products, also intellectual property issues. You can see this lead 63 intellectual property issues is just completely insane. So I'm surprised the account isn't shut down, but that's because you need to get on them right away, appeal them, and possibly retire or delete your listings so that way it's not impacted. Manual review of Walmart emails. So again, something super important. If you're an Amazon seller, you usually don't have to do this, but Walmart, you do. They will email you and you won't be notified, right? We won't be notified any other way. So here's an example. Counterfeit claim received. Hello, this email is to inform you we have removed one product from your Walmart marketplace. Inventory as well, counterfeit claim. Here's the product, and this is the product. And look what it says here. This is actually at the bottom. Please reply to this message within 72 business hours with your documents. Failure to respond may result in further action, including but not limited to account suspension and or termination. So they'll email you. You won't get a notification in Walmart, right? They'll just randomly email the admin and say, look, provide these documents within 72 business hours or shutting your account down. So if you missed this email, you're on vacation, what the heck, Walmart? Hopefully this becomes better, but you do need to, unfortunately, literally monitor your email like it's your best friend. Manually review of payments. So again, another thing you want to be checking out is just make sure your payments, everything's good, nothing's on hold. Sometimes something pops up and it's like, your payments are on hold. You're like, what the hell, Walmart, right? So if anything's popping up or you see tons of refunds, right? If it said refunds, $3,000 or something insane, it's time to get on this. So that's going to be another red flag. It's just making sure that everything looks okay. It says you're going to get paid. Okay, this is how much. Okay, you made this much. Okay, everything looks solid. Okay, refunds aren't that bad, right? They're at like 5%. So you can kind of look into that and just triple check everything's good, right? Because the last thing you want to do. And of course, last but not least is just if you are running ads, there's two types of ads. There's SEM ads, right? Search engine marketing ads on Walmart. And then there's also advertising.walmart.com ads. So if you are running these, just do a quick check. Make sure you're not overspending. You're within your budget. You don't want to log in one day and be like, I spent $1,000 on ads and I didn't know this month. I thought our budget was 500. Things, it can escalate really quickly on Walmart. So you just want to triple check all of these. And that is pretty much the daily checklist. Now, here it is to see the ads: sponsored, search, and then search engine marketing. These are the two areas. If you are running ads, just look at those on a daily basis and just be like, oh, how's our ad spend? Okay, we're not overspending, or we're overspending, or we're out of stock and somehow we're still spending money. Little things like that, especially since Walmart is a newer platform and their advertising is a newer platform as well. So that's the checklist. Be vigilant, be on top of it. Walmart is not your friend, right? Look at Walmart as a boss that's looking over you and micromanaging you, and make sure you're on your game all the time. But that's it for today's video. If you want more Walmart videos, tell me what to cover next in the comments. If you learned something new, drop a like. And if you're a Walmart seller, I highly recommend subscribing to our channel because we're giving away great content that's going to help you in your Walmart journey. And if you need any help with increasing sales, monitoring your account, disputing, contacting Walmart for you because they're a pain in the butt, that's what we do. The link's right in the description to contact us or schedule a call. One of our most popular services is our full Walmart account management service. We've got a design department. We're going to be optimizing your listings, listing quality score, get you that pro seller badge, calling Walmart, customer service, advertising, increasing sales, and much, much more. The benefit of this service is time and energy. We have the expertise. We've done this already, and we're going to be contacting Walmart constantly for you to make sure your account is good to go. I'm Josh Hackett, CEO of EHP Consulting Group, signing out.